Right, as you can see, chicken and the gravy is nicely mixed together. So what I'm going to do now is I will be adding some cream to this. So I'm going to add, as you can see, it's just less than 200 ml I'm adding to this. I'm going to give that a good mix. Now I'm going to let this mix together for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to transfer this into the serving bowl. Just one tip, once your gravy starts to release butter from the sides like this, as you can see, that indicates that your gravy's done. Okay, that's our buttered chicken ready. I've garnished it with some coriander and green chili. So I hope you do try this, and I hope you enjoy the recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.